Well, we've been working together for 6 years. The Premier League is an established league helping the ISL on its way. It seems to be growing really rapidly. And events like this are really important. So for the next 3 years, we're going to be concentrating on young players, youth development, the pathway towards success, and also the development of coaching and refereeing. And we'll do all we can to assist the ISL. But it seems to be going pretty well under its own devices. And it's a fantastic experience for our young football players to come to India, come to a fantastic city like Mumbai and a brilliant facility like this, and it's something they'll remember for the rest of their lives. So I'm pleased to be here, and I think it's a really important thing. As Mrs. Ambani said, it isn't necessarily just about the winning and losing. It's about, at this level, about participating, taking part, and different cultural experiences.
ISL has always believed in grassroots development, and we are at Reliance Foundation. We are following the pyramid structure of developing football at the base level. So we started with the this year we started from 6 to 12 under 12 age group children's league. Then in the middle we have the youth sports, and on top of that sits the young champs who you saw playing today. And I believe that the journey is very important, that we develop talent at the young level. And I think this partnership will really help us in developing ISL's grassroots program and the youth program.